Can Leo AI truly bring your static creations to life and unlock the secrets of animation? Today, we're diving into the exciting and sometimes surprising world of animation possibilities within Leonardo AI. While Leonardo AI primarily excels at generating breathtaking still images, the question remains, can it actually animate? Let's start by exploring what Leonardo AI offers natively currently. There isn't a direct animate button that will turn your prompt into a full-fledged video, however. There are some clever workarounds and emergent features that can get you moving. One key approach is to leverage image-to-image generation with subtle variations by generating multiple images from a prompt that implies motion, like a bird flapping its wings or water flowing, and then slightly adjusting parameters or rerunning the generation. You can obtain a sequence of very similar images. Imagine this: you generate a character, then use that character's image as a starting point in image-to-image. You then craft a prompt that suggests a subtle change, perhaps a slight shift in expression, a change in pose, or a movement of an appendage. Repeat this process a few times. By stringing these slightly differing images together in external video editing software, you can create the illusion of movement, a form of frame-by-frame animation. It's a manual process, but it allows for creative control over the motion. Beyond this, we need to look at external integrations. Leonardo AI's strength lies in providing high-quality assets. Think of it as a powerful art department. You can use your expertly generated Leonardo AI images as individual frames for more complex animation projects in dedicated software. This involves using Leonardo AI to create character designs, backgrounds, or props, and then importing those assets into programs like After Effects or Blender. Here, you can rig characters, set up keyframes, and build sophisticated animations using your AI-generated visuals as the foundation. While Leonardo AI doesn't offer built-in animation timelines, its ability to generate unique and high-quality visual assets makes it an invaluable tool for animators. By combining its generative power with external editing and animation tools, you can absolutely create compelling moving images and short animated sequences. The future of AI and animation is here, and Leonardo AI is a key player in sparking that creativity.